Hello everyone, my name is Chana. I have created this tutorial on the spreadsheet formulas and the theme is solar system. So here it goes. Solar system theme. As you can see, I've got the headings here, like name of the planets, distance from the sun, radius, moon available, comparison to the sun size, diameter. So the first formula that I have used here is sum formula, as you can see here in the formula bar, equals to sum open bracket. Then I have selected a range from B3 to B11, then close bracket, and then I got this value. So just remember one thing, that every formula starts from equals to. So there's one more way of writing this formula, which is equal to sum open bracket B3 plus B4 plus B5 plus B6 up to B11, then close bracket. But if you have a longer range, then this is the easy way of writing the formula, equals to sum open bracket B3 colon B11 close bracket, and then enter. And here I have used the same formula to get the value. Now here I have used the minimum formula to find out the planet closest to the sun. To do this, the formula is here, equals to minimum min open bracket B3. This is the range because I have given the heading distance from the sun, so I have selected this range B3 to B11, then close the bracket, so it gives me this range, this value, which is this, and this value is of Mercury. So the planet closest to the sun is Mercury. In the same way, I have used the maximum formula to find out the planet farthest from the sun. So for the maximum formula, equals to max open bracket B3 colon B11, this range. So it gives me this value, which is Pluto. So the planet farthest from the sun is Pluto. So now another formula that I've used here is count F to find out the total number of planets that have a moon. So here, as you can see, first is like Mercury, which has no moon, Venus, no moon, Earth, yes, we have a moon, and then Mars and Jupiter, yes, they have a moon, and so on. So I've used the counter formula here to find out how many Y's in there. So equals to count if open bracket D3 to D11. I selected this range. This is D3 to D11, and then comma, then in inverted comma I have put Y because I wanted to count how many Y's in there, and then close bracket, and then press enter. I got the value 7, so there are 7 Y's in there. So equals to count if open bracket D3 colon D11 comma inverted comma Y inverted comma, and then close bracket, and then enter. This is the way of using this formula. Now let's see the formula which is average formula. I've used this formula to find out the average distance from the sun. So as you can see, the formula is here, equals to average open bracket B3, this is the range B3 to B11, and then close bracket and enter. So I got this value here. They show me the distance, average distance from the sun. Okay, and now the next formula that I have used is subtraction formula to find out the distance of Mars from the Earth. So for this formula, I've written equals to B6. B6 is here, Mars value, and minus the Earth value, which is B5. So I got the value in here. So this is quite easy. Okay, now let's see the next formula, which is absolute cell reference. For the absolute cell reference, you have a one fixed cell, its value, and you use one fixed cell value with other cells value. Now here I have used like the to find out the comparison to the sun size. I got here is equal to open bracket $C $2 slash C3, which is C2 is here, which is the radius of the sun divided by radius of the Mercury, and I got the value here. So this value tells me how much Mercury is smaller than the sun in the size. Okay, and the next cell I did the same way, equals to open bracket $C then 2 slash C4. It tells me the in this cell I have done sun's radius divided by Venus radius. I got this value, which tells me how much bigger is sun than the Venus. In the same way, I have used this formula in here. So for this, I just written equal to open bracket $C $2 then slash 3, and then I selected here this range from up to this. So it did automatic. So the spreadsheet, it automatically use this value, which is sun's radius, in all these cells, as you can see here. Let me show you. Okay, and okay, we got C $C $2 in all these cells, but the next value is different. It's because we have made this value constant by using the dollar signs. So this is called absolute cell reference. So and the next formula that I have used is relative cell reference. So in this formula I have used equal to open bracket C3 multiplication F3. C3 is this radius of the Mercury, and F3, which is 2. Okay, now as you can see, as you know that a diameter is equal to 2 multiplication radius, 2 times the radius. So I have written all 2's in here. So for the relative cell reference, I've just written here equals to I've written here equals to open bracket C2 multiplication F2, C2 radius of the sun into F2, which is 2. I got this value here, and then I selected this up to the down here, up to the Pluto. So it automatically uses this value C3 F2, and then Venus value here, and then F2, and then Jupiter's radius, and all that by automatically by itself. So I got these values here. Okay, so this is called relative cell reference. Okay, thank you.